I am Ridhima Bhatnagar. India is still in the grip of a severe second wave. We've also hit a hurdle in terms of the third phase of the vaccination, with many states saying they just do not have enough supply. So as every day we say this, if you can, do stay indoors. If you are stepping out, continue to wear that mask. Let's begin this broadcast with some breaking developments coming in. This is a slight relief because now we're seeing a bit of a dip in the total number of cases as far as India is concerned. 3.68 lakh new cases, which means second day that we're seeing a dip in cases since we had seen that high of 4 lakh cases. But in terms of deaths, that still continues to be worrying because over 3,000 deaths have happened in the last 24 hours, 3,417 lives lost. If you talk about the state-wise breakup, then states like Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, they continue to be the worst hit states. But if you talk about the vaccination drive, which is also happening simultaneously, over 15 crore jabs have been administered so far. But as we said, this is the second day that we're seeing a slight dip. Not that we're anywhere close to where we can have a sigh of relief, but it has fallen below that 4 lakh mark. My colleague Runjun is now joining us. Runjun, good morning. You track the health ministry. As I said, this is a slight relief, nowhere close to where we can let our guard down. But the cases for the second day in a row seem to be falling below that 4 lakh mark.
Yes, for 2 days now, Ridhima, but that also could be because of low testing. Generally on Sunday, there's a pattern that we see that the testing is low and therefore the numbers also drop. The hope is that these numbers stagnate and don't go up, but that's unlikely is what the medical experts say, because we're not reached the peak as yet. The coming few weeks are extremely crucial. Government maintains that. And like you just pointed out, of course, there's no way that we can let our guard down, given the fact that we've seen a slight dip in the number of cases. But let me also tell you, Ridhima, now when you go out, as opposed to going out a month ago, we are seeing a considerable difference in the way people on the ground are behaving. There was a lot of laxity, yes, but now you see people wearing double masks. And why is that? That's because people are scared now. They've kind of seen on ground that there is no space in hospitals. There is extremely difficult to get your hands on medical treatment, be it oxygen or remdesivir or other essential drugs, and which is why we also see people now be extremely cautious.
Okay, Runjun, thanks for getting us those details. I'm also tossing it over